Hey guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, when we come back, I got this cool propellers, and these are LED light propellers. This is from Hobbyinrc, so I thank you guys for sending these out. These are supposed to be a little more quieter than the stock propellers, but I don't have a meter to test that. So what I'll do is I'll put these propellers on, and then I'll put it up in the air about eye level, and I'll film from my hat cam, and then I'll go do the same with the stock propellers and see if you can maybe hear a difference from the camera. It's you know, it's not going to be a very good test on that without having a meter to test the decibels of the sound, but to me, I've tested it, took it out at night, so you can see the LED lights. You'll see that up here in the video right after I put the propellers on, show you guys how to put the props on, which is very easy. But anyways, I can't tell a sound difference. To me, it almost sounds like they're a little bit louder, but you know, it stayed pretty stable. You guys will see in the video when I put it up there, it seems pretty stable. I didn't see anything like it threw it off, because these are a little bit heavier. I don't know the exact weight offhand. If I do find it, I'll leave it in the descriptions there, and I'll leave a link to these propellers. They're actually pretty cool. It's just more of a, you know, just more of a show, kind of a gimmick thing. So, you know, I personally probably won't use them for just regular flying. It's just kind of more of a wow thing for at night, or at least dusk time is when I like to go, and then you can see the LED lights pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box up, and we'll put the propellers on, and then I'll take it for a flight, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Alright, I'm with the LED propellers here. Hobbyinrc sent me 3 of them, so they gave me an extra set. 2 come in here, an A and B propeller, so they're actually pretty cool. I actually like these. They light up really good. This is what you get in the box here. Actually gives you little instructions here. You do have to have your own charging device, which if you have an Android phone, it just takes that same adapter for your just a regular Android. So I'll give you some clear instructions, and you know, it's just basic, just telling you how to put them on. So if you have a Mavic Air already, you'll know how to put propellers on. So with these, you just pop these out of the box here, and has a switch right here for on and off. You click that switch, and what it'll do is it'll turn on the propellers. Let me grab, I think these are the ones I didn't charge up yet, so see if this one's charged. Okay, this one's charged. So it lights up, and then when it spins, you'll get that circle effect of each color it has here. So if you look, the on and off switch is located right here, and then on the back side is the port. So if you have the Android device like this, you just plug it in, and you'll be able to charge it. It lights up, and then when it's done, a little red light will go out when it's charged, guys. It doesn't take very long, so it's fairly simple. So anyways, I'm going to just show you one real quick. They are labeled. There's this right here is black side, so you're going to do the same thing just like the props here. You're going to push down, twist to the right for the A prop, and then you're just going to go and slide this on like so, and then turn it where it needs to be, and then go to the left, and it locks right in. And you're going to do the same thing for the B, which it has 2 white lines, which you'll look on here, and you got 2 white lines right here. So you're going to pop that off to the left. Alright, slide this on here, and then twist to the right, and there you go. Really simple, guys. And like I said, I noticed it didn't vibrate. It didn't seem like it was throwing the drone out of whack. Me personally, I wouldn't use them for just regular use, but more of like for show, like, you know, family, friends, or whatever. When it gets towards evening time, you know, you can put those on, but they're pretty bright. So I'll show you guys a video of that. But right now, let's just do a little test and see how it does on just flying up just about eye level, and we'll see how stable it is. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm outside. I powered up the drone. I got everything linked up. I'm about ready to fly here in a minute as soon as I get some satellites. Went ahead and clicked all the switches on the propellers. And I'm not going to go too late out here. When it gets dark, it's just dusk. The sun went over the hill. It's just because there's other animals and owls that fly around at night, and I don't want to take a chance on hitting one without me being able to see them. So, alright, let me set this down, and I'll be right back as soon as I get enough satellites. Then we'll take her up. So here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Manual takeoff here. Those are pretty loud. They say they're supposed to be quieter than the stock ones, but I'm not seeing it. Sound pretty loud to me. Come over here, Danny. Get back, honey. Alright guys, hey, for this first test, I'm not even going to hook up the app. I'm not going to lock on the satellites. I'm just going to go ahead and just bring it up eye level so you guys can hear from my hat cam and see if that even makes a difference, if you can tell the difference. It's going to be hard without a decimal meter to record the sound, but I'm going to give it a shot. So let's just bring it up here. I don't have the LED lights on. You'll see it in the video in a few minutes here with the LED lights on. So Alright guys, here's the stock ones now. Alright guys, I couldn't really tell the difference. I think to me that the stock ones are a hair more quieter. If you're actually here in person, without a decimal meter for sound, I can't really tell, but I think the stock ones are a little more quieter. But these things do have a cool factor. I do like them. As you guys could see in the video, and they light up pretty good, and you can definitely see your drone at night, but I don't ever fly at night, so but they are pretty cool if you want to show your friends and family. So I'll leave a link in the descriptions, guys. Hobbyinrc, I do thank you guys again for sending these out to me. Guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.